Hello there. It's nice seeing you again. It's time to unravel the principles of design. Let's talk about repetition. A design superhero that can either make your creations pop or, if not handled well, lead it into the realm of monotony. Repetition is all about doing things over and over, like a cool pattern that catches your eye. It can be in the form of radiation, where the repeated elements spread out from a central point, or gradation, where the repeated elements become smaller or larger. It often works with a pattern which makes it seem active, and rhythm, which helps to create different types of it. Picture trees, thorns, or fish scales in nature. That's natural repetition, but with a twist of variety. Now, here's the secret. Too much of the same thing without a hint of change gets boring. It's like a song stuck on repeat. Eventually, you want something new. Introduce a bit of variety, and suddenly it's a dance. Our brains love a little surprise. It keeps things interesting. Repetition without variation becomes predictable, like a patterned wallpaper. Not bad, but not super exciting either. It's more like decorative art. Now think of your brand. A little repetition is key for brand recognition. For example, the iconic shape of a McDonald's Happy Meal box, consistent worldwide, right? But here's the twist. The surprise inside, the Happy Meal toy, changes every few weeks. So, the takeaway, repetition is your friend, but variety is the spice of design life. Add some flair, keep it interesting, and watch your design come to life. It's like a symphony. The right notes of repetition and variation creates harmony. I hope you found the content helpful and inspiring. Feel free to check out my other videos related to design. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design insights. Don't forget to share with your friends and fellow designers. Hasta la vista, cheero!